Alright, so little gang and I made it down to Deception Pass, this quarry pond, and we're gonna take the kayak out, do some drone work, do some photos, just connect with nature today because there's not very many people down here. And then there's another pond as you head north back towards home. There's another cool pond, so we're gonna do that one later, uh, around lunchtime or this afternoon. But we're gonna hit this one. There's all sorts of like birds' nests and lily pads and all sorts of little stuff. So we're gonna cruise around and have some fun. And the little gang has decided to join me today. You gonna say hi? Hey, you gonna say hi? Hey, you gonna say hi, buddy? Say hi. Okay, he's not in the mood. So, anyways, I hope everybody has a great day. We're gonna play down here at Deception Pass, test out the new drone, and chillax. Catch you guys soon.